Okay, over here are the sliced potatoes that I slice them up like you do it for the chips, and then soak them in 1 hour in salty water. After that, I drain the water and I'm trying to pat them dry gently so I can layer them down in the cast iron pan. Coated the cast iron pan with a little bit of olive oil, and now I'm going to make a layer of potatoes in the bottom. I seriously don't know what I'm doing, but I'm trying to make a layer of potatoes, big, small, whatever, just to make a nice layer in the bottom. I think that should be a good enough layer. Okay, I sprinkle dry cheddar cheese on it, so if there was any sogginess, that will that will be absorbed by the cheese. At least that's what I believe. So let's see how it goes. I've never made this before. I'm just doing whatever is coming on top of my head. This is 2 frozen packs of spinach that I thawed and then drained out the water as much as I could. I'm going to mix it with cream cheese now. Added some salt and pepper for flavor with a little bit of garlic, minced garlic in it. Added some cheddar cheese to the bottom because I think potatoes and garlic and cheddar cheese and spinach, they all go hand in hand. Wow, I can already smell it. Tastes so good. I didn't even start cooking it yet, or baking, sorry. I'm going to put the cast iron in the oven. I'm heating it up, preheating the oven at 400 between. I will keep it 375 once it's preheated, so it will stay between 375 to 4. Some more cheddar. I added some more cheddar so potatoes can be, can stay in the place to hold down the potatoes. I don't know about the bottom layer because when I added the spinach, they were moving. Let's hope for the best. Oven is preheated and I'm going to put this in the oven now for 45 minutes. But I will check on it since I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea how much time it's going to take. So there's a layer of potatoes in the bottom and spinach in the middle and then one layer on the top, and leftover potatoes I put them on the side. So let's see how it goes. It's looking good, smelling good, and it's halfway through. I'm going to sprinkle some topping I made this topping with the breadcrumbs, cheddar cheese and chives. Well, whatever that is, it looks pretty and smells fantastic. I think it's almost done. I can hear it singing. Could you hear those whispers? Or singing or whatever that is? Sounds wonderful to my ears. I think I should take it out now. I'm letting this cool down. Cast iron is always amazing. See, nothing is sticking. I just went like this with the butter knife, tried to push it back and it's moving. That means it's not sticking and it's nice and brown from the bottom. I don't know if I can show it to you. The bottom part is very nice and it's not sticking. So that's a plus. And there is the top. There you go. Cools down a little bit, then I will cut a slice. Okay, here it is. I cut off a slice of the spinach pie or casserole or whatever you want to call it. Here it is. Here it is. It's beautiful, crispy, cooked, yummy. And I hope everybody likes it. Smelling so good, I can't wait. I'm gonna dig in now. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.